that we used to see for years. Remember, you guys, when you were little, it was thriving. Why it was like the malls just don't have all the Tesla chargers. And it's funny because I don't know what are they gonna do when they tear down the place. You have to redo all the Tesla chargers. Maybe they'll leave it.
Too difficult to move.
They have cement
I'm pretty sure they
blocks.
abandoned them anyways.
They got cement blocks.
Look at what they did to the trees.
The driving academy. Oh yeah, they're probably gonna keep all this outer, and then just redo all this over here. You know what I mean? They're just gonna, all this stuff will be just revamped. Because they have to tear all that up.
They could have saved some of those trees.
All revamped. This place too. They're gonna make it probably like Bellaterra. You know what I mean?
That's what they said.
Yeah.
Apartments.